For reading and writing today, we are reading the books Amazing Grace by Mary Hoffman and Jackie Robinson, A Life of Determination. And then after you're done with the reading activities, you're responding in your Scholastic News Journal for writing. So remember, you click on one of the titles to go to the reading website. My computer remembers my login from yesterday. If yours doesn't, then you can go to this slide, which says Reading Instructions slide, and it will tell you the username and the password that you need to log in. So here you can watch the story, Amazing Grace, and then you can read the book, Jackie Robinson, A Life of Determination. You can do the puzzlers, which is a word match and which came first, and you can dive deeper, explore the web, and meet the creators. When you're done, go back to your writing journal and write about something you found interesting as you read. So a good sentence starter is, I notice, and then make sure to put a period at the end. Then you're going to write about a question that you had. So a good sentence starter is, I wonder. When you're done, put a question mark at the end. Last but not least, this book reminds me of, you are making a connection to what you read. Make sure to use a sentence starter and put a period at the end. When you're done, press the X and press the blue turn in button. Then it's very important to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. And when you're done with that, please practice your reading, whether it's on Epic Books or with books from your house. I have now included a link for Epic Books just in case you don't remember how to get there, as well as our class code in case you need to know what it is so you can get in. All right, happy reading.